Hey everybody, so zero conditionals, today's grammar. I want to give you the basics of what is a zero conditional. Well, a zero conditional is a conditional that tells us something that is generally true or always true, a general truth or a fact. So some examples. When I get home, I always take off my shoes. I always take off my shoes. When I go to the restaurant, when I go to a restaurant, I never order a salad. I usually watch TV when I have free time. And here are our facts. A fact, when water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. When the weather gets hotter, the snow melts. These things are always true. So that's our zero conditional, right? If it's usually true or always true, happens many times, use this grammar.